Hello, my name is London Rhodes. I'm an application engineer with Dynapar. In today's video, we're going to overview the cable fault monitoring capabilities of the HS35iQ encoder with PulseIQ technology. Whether you have the programmable or the standard version of the encoder, both will allow you to monitor cable faults such as opens and shorts.
As discovered by our market research, encoder cable faults are a common cause of closed-loop motor systems failing. Encoder cables can get accidentally broken, loosened, or short-circuited during operation and commissioning. Troubleshooting these issues is both costly and time-consuming. A key feature of the HS35iQ encoder is the ability to point a user directly to the root cause of a cable open or short. This detection capability eliminates the need to look at other aspects of the system, such as the motor, couplings, and drive, thus minimizing downtime and enabling faster commissioning. On the housing of the HS35iQ encoder, there is an LED that flashes a variety of colors. Each color represents a different status. Red is for faults. White is for when the user has deactivated the cable fault monitoring in the software. Green is for when everything is functioning normally. And blue is a recovery status. The blue light will flash for 30 minutes after a fault has been resolved and it is no longer causing an error. When an encoder cable fault occurs, which can be triggered by either an open or short in the wiring between the encoder and the controller, a fault output signal is sent from the encoder to whatever monitoring device you have connected. Refer to the software manual for recommended operating conditions for fault detection features. At the same time, a notation is made on the event log page of the PulseIQ software. The event log notification will include a timestamp and the frequency the encoder was operating at when the fault occurred. For more technical information regarding how the encoder differentiates between shorts and opens, check out our white paper, How to Detect Cable Faults in Incremental Encoder Systems, available on our Knowledge Center. For the cable fault detection to work properly, there is some setup required. The load resistance of the encoder card needs to be measured and then recorded inside the PulseIQ software. We go into detail on how to do this in another video labeled HS35iQ Encoder Initial Device and Fault Monitoring Setup. Once the load resistance is set up properly, you can use the fault monitoring page to individually toggle fault detection on the A, B, and Z channels.
The ability to monitor cable faults is a powerful tool that allows for faster troubleshooting and faster commissioning. For more information on fault monitoring and device configuration, please visit our video library where we have more information.